Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get access token from refresh token from Keycloak admin REST API. So let's get started. So as usual I will just copy this thing to start Keycloak on my local system via Docker. So let's just wait for this to finish. Once this is done, then we can visit localhost :8080, and from that we can start setting up REST API, because we need to set up the client first to get started with REST APIs in Keycloak. Okay, so as you can see, I have Keycloak running. Then I can just refresh this localhost :8080. Then I can just, now by default the credentials are admin. Then I can just go to clients. Realm, I'll keep it as master realm only. I'm not going to change my realm. I'll go to clients. I'll click on create client. Here I'll just name it as my client. You can name it whatever you feel like. This name is very important because we need to use this as well. I'll click on next. Then I'll click on direct access grants, and I'll also enable this client authentication. Click on next. If you want, you can give this URLs as well. I'm not giving that. I'll just click on save because I will be calling this REST APIs from Postman, so it is not really required for me. Okay, once this is done, you just need to come over here to Postman. First, let's see how to generate access token and refresh token both. Given that access token easily expires, we need to save refresh token, and using that we need to generate the access token again. So here you can see you'll have to change this to your own domain. I'm running it on localhost :8080, and this should be your realm name. Like I said, I'm using the default master realm. Then go to body, and over here you will have to pass the username and password. So for me it is admin. Grant type is password, which will be same. Then client ID, as you can remember, I have created the my client as the client ID. And client secret, to get the client secret you can just go to your client, go to credentials, and this is your client secret. So I can just copy to clipboard. Okay, I can come over here and just paste it over here, and then I can click on send, and here you can see access token was generated. But as you can see, the access token expires in within a minute, I guess. So how to generate the access token once it expires? We can't keep calling this API, that would be a bad practice. So for that you can just take this refresh token over here. Okay, then copy this refresh token. Then you need to go to this particular URL, localhost :8080, again change to your own domain /realms/master/protocol OpenID connect token, and here I'll just take body as well. Okay, and here grant type is equal to refresh token. Client ID, I'll just pass it as my client. Okay, client secret we had copied. Okay, I'll copy it again, and here it should be the refresh token. I'll just paste again. If you check, refresh token also has an expiry. So here you can see it has, I think it is 3 minutes, so you can change that as well. Now for client secret, I'll just come over here. I'll just copy this client secret again, and I'll paste it over here. And if I run this now, here you can see access token was generated again with the help of refresh token. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.